If you've been arrested for domestic violence, you've probably been charged with Penal Code Section 273.5. You probably don't know what that is, but that's commonly referred to as domestic violence. It's a charge where the prosecution is claiming that you either hit, kicked, bit, struck, or used some kind of physical violence against a husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone who's a significant other. Domestic violence is an extremely serious crime in our society, and it's one that needs to be vigorously defended. Penal Code Section 273.5, domestic violence prosecutions can be very, very severe. In some cases, felonies, you can be sentenced up to 4 years in state prison. For misdemeanors, up to a year in county jail. But you know, right now, you could be very scared. You could be very anxious. And the biggest concern, maybe the biggest penalty of all, is the impact of a domestic violence conviction on your life. In many situations, you have a professional license, you're in the military, you have a security clearance, and all these things can be potentially taken away from you if you're convicted of domestic violence. So it's more important to consider what the overall impact in your life is going to be if you're convicted of this offense, and find a lawyer that not only is aware and skillful about how to defend the case, but who knows what's going to happen to you if you get convicted of domestic violence. Having skillful counsel in this situation could make a critical difference in your future. We defend domestic violence charges. Defense of domestic violence charges takes place from the very earliest stage of your case. From the time you're arrested, there's a window of opportunity where we get a chance to present you to the district attorney, persuade the district attorney not to file charges. We can defend cases at trial, we can defend cases up to trial, but we're really extremely good at persuading the DA not to file charges. And after all, from where you're sitting, isn't that the most important thing? Right now, you hope that you don't even have to go through this whole experience. And I'm here to tell you that that hope is justified, because if we act soon enough, we can avoid a prosecution. We can avoid criminal charges. But you have to act quickly. Please consult my office today. Let me take an hour of my time and let me try to help you, guide you through this ordeal so that you can once again feel the kind of hope that you need to feel so that you can move on with your life.